Welcome to Single Server in Excel. Today we're going to learn how to add a watermark like a company logo to a spreadsheet. A watermark is a graphic image that is used in the background for all the cells in the entire worksheet. Before you use just any image, make sure the image is very light in color by reducing its opacity so the data in your worksheet won't be obstructed by the graphic. You may be familiar with the word confidential over a document. That's a watermark. We will be using our company logo that looks like this. I reduced the opacity to 25% using a photo editing software. You can download any open source software to accomplish this, like GIMP from gimp.org. See link in the description below. To use our company logo as a watermark, follow these steps. The first step is to select the sheet you want to assign the graphic to. We will be selecting the worksheet meeting log. Click the Page Layout tab and select the Background Command button in the Page Setup group. Click on the Browse button and navigate to the location of your watermark. Next, select the image that you want to use. Excel will either stretch the graphic so it takes up all the cells that are visible, or in the case of a small image file, Excel will tile the image so that it is duplicated horizontally and vertically. Keep in mind that the image you use as your watermark doesn't appear when you print out the workbook. It's only visible from within the program. So if we go to Print Preview, you'll see that the watermark is not visible on the worksheet. To remove the background image, simply click on the Delete Background Command button from the Page Layout tab. And the image is removed as a watermark. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.